So I get asked this question all of the time. What if my case gets denied? Well, first and foremost, if you have an experienced immigration attorney, for the most part, your case should not get denied. However, we know that things happen. We've had instances where, maybe somebody was not truthful, a client was not truthful or something like that in us filling out the petition. But at the end of the day, I always say that my firm doesn't do denials. But let's say hypothetically, you did the case on your own and it got denied. What do you do now? Well, for the most part, what you would do is you would read the decision of USCIS, because usually the decisions are very, very cut and dry, meaning they will list out the reasons why they denied your petition. Let me tell you why that's a great thing, is because then you can take that denial, and if you didn't use an attorney, now you can go to an attorney with that denial, and then they can see why your case was denied. And most of the time, they can fix it, obviously, depending on why exactly the case was denied. But first and foremost, I always tell people, we get a FOIA, which is a Freedom of Information Act, request. And basically what that is we are asking USCIS for your whole entire file so that we could see what exactly you filed, what type of evidence you had, what type of response did USCIS give you? Did they send you a request for evidence, an RFE? Did you respond? Did you not respond? All of that type of stuff so that we don't go into it blind. That's what I always tell my clients. I don't move forward on a case blind if someone else has already done it or if you've done it. So if you receive the denial, we look at the reasons, and most of the time you can just start from the beginning. Yes, it's more time. Yes, it's more money because you do not get your money back. But at the end of the day, if your main goal is to get this approved and your main goal is to stay in the United States with your family and get a green card and not have to worry about, deportation or anything like that, then it makes sense to go to an attorney if you do get a denial or even if you get an RFE so they can help you fix it so that you can meet your end goal.